Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious dessert nachos. In case you guys want to how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need raw flour tortillas, fresh strawberries, sugar, cinnamon, chocolate chips, chocolate and caramel syrup. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to start by getting our tortilla chips ready. These are the tortilla brand that I'm using. I tried it with so many different brands, but honestly, these are the best. So we're going to grab our tortillas. We're going to poke them. So just use a fork or a toothpick. So just make sure that they're poked all the way through. Okay, so now we're just going to cut our tortilla in half. And then we're going to cut it in half again. And then just make our little triangles. Okay, just like that. And we're just going to repeat the same process to all of our tortillas. Alright guys, I'm using about 12 tortillas, but once we have them cut into small triangles, now we're going to mix our sugar and cinnamon. Alright, so I'm using half a cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. But of course you can add more cinnamon if you want. Now we're just going to mix it. Alright, so once we have our cinnamon sugar ready, now we're going to get our oil ready. Alright, so now we're going to grab a deep pan and we're going to set it on medium heat and we're going to add oil. So just enough oil to cover the tortilla. And we're just going to wait for that to heat up. Alright, so while we wait for oil, we can chop our strawberries. Just cut them in half. Half again. Alright, so once we have our strawberries, we're going to set them to the side. Alright, so once our oil is hot, we're going to throw in our tortillas. Alright, now we're just going to fry our tortilla triangles until they're nice and golden. Alright, so once our tortilla triangles are nice and golden, we're going to remove them from the oil. Set them in paper towels. And just give them a couple seconds and then dip them to the cinnamon sugar. So just dip them. You want your tortilla to be hot so like that the cinnamon sugar can stick to it. Okay, now we're just going to repeat the same process to all of our tortillas. Alright guys, so once we have our cinnamon sugared tortilla triangles, now we are ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, making our nachos. So I just grab a bowl and layer my tortilla chips on the bottom. And I'm just going to top it with some ice cream. Alright, so we're just going to drizzle our chocolate syrup. Okay, now we're going to drizzle our caramel syrup. Okay, we're going to add our mini chocolate chips, our strawberries. Okay, top it with a little whipped cream and a cherry on the top. And there you go. Now we can enjoy our delicious dessert nachos. Alright guys, and this is another way that you can serve it with just ice cream in the middle. Either way you serve it, you guys, I'm guarantee you that your family is going to enjoy it. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part.
The pizza.
I am excited. You excited? Yeah, my kids love them, you guys. This brings back memories from my childhood. My grandma used to call them sosopitos, but my mom used to make this for us when we were little. And now it's amazing that I can make it for my kids and they enjoy it just as much as I do. And of course, if you love buñuelos, this is very similar to it. But yeah, you ready? Okay, let me grab this one with the ice cream. My ice cream's already melted, but you ready? Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, you guys, the best dessert. And like I said, you and your family is going to enjoy it. So hope you give it a try. Very good, huh? Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make some delicious dessert nachos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.